If you copy and paste in Excel or fill down, you might see a small options box at the corner. That can be useful, but I'll show you how to turn those off if you don't need them. This is Debra Dalgleish from Contextures.com. On this worksheet, I've got two numbers and I want to copy down, so I'm pointing to the fill handle. I'll copy down, and when I let go, I see a small option box in the corner. That can be helpful. If I click, it shows options here that I can select. Maybe I didn't want to fill the numbers down, I just wanted the formatting. So you can use that right after you fill. Or if I insert, I get an option box here that lets me choose the type of formatting that I want. Even when I click away from them, those boxes can stay on the worksheet, and I find them a bit annoying, so I'm going to turn them off. And to do that, I go to the File menu, and down at the bottom is Options, and in the Options window, I'll go to Advanced. Scroll down to Cut, Copy, and Paste. And in here, we've got two settings that I usually turn off. Show Paste Options button and the Show Insert Options button. So I'll remove those two check marks, click OK, and now if I select those two cells and drag down, I get the series, but I don't get an option box. The same if I insert, I don't get an option box here. Here's a quick way to open the Options window. Press Alt-F, then tap T. That opens the Options window on the General tab. I've also got an Options button on my Quick Access Toolbar, and it opens Options at the Advanced Options tab. I just click that. I don't have to go through the File tab, and it opens up at the tab that I use most often. And to put that on your Quick Access Toolbar, click that drop-down arrow, go to More Commands, and in here, the default is Popular Commands, and from there I go to All Commands, and in this list, I'll type O. That takes me down to the section I'm looking for. There is a Options command you can use, but I go down and choose the Advanced Options, just so it opens on that tab. You can see all the other tabs there if you prefer one of those. Then click on that and add it to your Quick Access Toolbar.